Today we are going to learn about Albert Bandura's social learning theory, or it is also known as observational learning theory, because according to Bandura we all learn through observing a model. Okay, so social learning theory by or observational learning theory. Albert Bandura is an American social learning theorist or social psychologist. Okay, then according to observational learning theory, observation forms the basis of this theory. According to this theory, most of what we learn is acquired through simply watching and listening to other people. So, giving importance to the skill of observation, that is the most important aspect. Then, according to this theory, children from the very beginning are keenly observing the behavior of others, most commonly of the people nearest to them, like their parents, caretakers, immediate friends, teachers, etc. They also try to imitate and try to do what they observe also. So, this imitation plays a major role here. Bandura gives importance to modeling. What is modeling? The person whose behavior the child observes or imitates are called models. Hence, observational learning is also known as modeling. Okay, why it is called modeling? Because the children try to imitate the behavior of persons or individuals who act as models. So, according to social learning theory, one learns through observations by incorporating and imitating the behavior of others we consider as models. Then, steps in observational learning. There are some few simple steps. First, attending and perceiving the behavior. In this step, the learner is made to observe the behavior of the person acting as a model. Second one, remembering the behavior. Here, what the learner observes is remembered in his memory in the form of mental images. Third one, converting the behavior into action. Here, the observed and remembered behavior is transformed into action. That is imitation by the learner. Fourth one, reinforcement of the imitated behavior. If positive reinforcement the child receives, that the strength between that bond gets strengthened. Okay, so these are the simple steps in observational learning: attending and perceiving the behavior, remembering the behavior, converting the behavior into action, and reinforcement. Here, reinforcement plays a very major role, because if the child is receiving a negative reinforcement or punishment, then gradually that bond get weakened. Only positive reinforcement or positive motivation helps in strengthening the bond between the stimulus and response in any type of learning. Okay, so this theory has its own educational implications. Here, importance is given to the environment of the child, especially external environment. Then the role of role models, especially parents, immediate members of the child, elders, because the child learns through imitation at first, through observation. Then important givens to observational skills. Then reinforcement is here, motivation is here, interpersonal interaction is there. So all these forms the educational implications of this theory.